Hey, what's up, guys? On this one, I wanted to check out on what is Decentraland, guys, which is abbreviated as MANA. You can call it with anywhere in order for you to actually. Alright, so guys, I want to actually check on this because there's some new developments that are happening with Facebook. I mean, Facebook has hinted that they're going to change their name into Meta, which is not MANA, it's Meta. But actually, everything is almost aligning with these guys, with this coin when it comes into crypto, because I mean, it's all about virtual land, gaming, everything about that, and this coin has all of that. I mean, the minute it was actually just when Mark Zuckerberg actually came in and dished out all the news, and this coin actually flipped and actually was off the chain, and it was actually really making some waves, guys. So I'm actually want to actually look out onto the news on what actually happened. As you can see right here, Facebook rebranded to Meta causes MANA to explode. I mean, it went from around 70 cents into around $3 now, even almost to $4 in just a day. I mean, everyone was buying the coin, everyone was making videos about this coin in everywhere, guys. I mean, by the 1st of December, the name of Facebook is actually going to go live and everything will change, guys. We will be interacting with people when we are actually in our homes. I mean, if you're actually going to go and look for that video so that you can actually see Mark Zuckerberg actually explaining what's actually going to happen. So as you can see here, Facebook rebranded to MANA causes MANA to explode. MANA to USDT. I mean, everyone was just buying, has been going absolutely ballistic since the CEO of Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg, dropped a bombshell announcing that the most popular social media platform, which boasts, I mean, just almost 3 billion people, guys, 2.89 billion active monthly users. Wow. I mean, just imagine if all these people, they actually come into crypto, or at least they actually be able to understand what's actually going to happen. I mean, even if just half of these people, or at least a fraction of these people, they start, I mean, maybe few millions, they actually learn crypto and actually start to, I mean, it's a lot that's going to happen, guys. It's only starting now. So there's a lot of coins that actually do gaming, that are actually doing all this stuff on about virtual land, as X Infinity, as you can actually see here. MANA price forecast, Decentraland MANA prices spikes by 265% in a week. Good times to enter Meta. Wow, this is a good time. As you can see, metaverse crypto projects have been astronomically gains following the Facebook news, with MANA Decentralized recognizing a 265% gain after the last week closing price. I mean, MANA, XC, and Sense are native token to top metaverse crypto projects, as saw a massive surge in price after those news. So I'll advise you guys to actually go on and actually look up onto which coins which are actually going to be making a lot of. I mean, I actually did buy a few so that I can actually stay onto the game, so that I can maybe get those 10x if I'm lucky, or even more. I mean, you will never know, guys. So this is crypto. You can actually make money with this. You buy and hold, or you do whatever you do, but no financial advice. I mean, I just wanted to get onto this coin and actually get to show you guys what is actually happening with this coin. So I'm actually going to go on and actually look onto their website so that I can actually see what it actually looks like. So because this coin, guys, I think it's actually going to be a big coin and a big coin. I mean, it's actually already showing those. And okay guys, so we are on to their website. As you can actually see, welcome to Decentraland. Create, explore and trade in the first ever virtual world owned by its users. I mean, wow, you can actually go on and buy land now. I mean, virtual land is the new real estate now. Wow, man, I mean, this is actually really cool. I mean, some lands already are going by millions. I mean, so let's see what's actually going on here. So it's lose yourself in an amazing evolving world. All right. I don't know what's going on here. Can actually see here, you can actually test the limits of your imagination. You can actually start building some stuff here, and you can actually you can trade virtual destinations for digital assets, buy and sell land, estates, avatars, wearables, names into the Decentraland marketplace. Wow, I mean this is actually really cool, guys. This is actually really cool. As you can actually see, upcoming events. So they're actually going to have some events where they actually going to recruit people so that they can actually be able to see what's actually going to happen, so that they can, as you can actually see, on to the 21st to the 24th of October. I think this has already happened, and this. I mean, guys, you can actually go on and actually look up on all this stuff so that you can take some time and actually start to understand what is actually going on onto the world of crypto, guys. I mean, this is actually really cool. This is actually really cool. I'm actually now going to go on and read the white paper so that I can actually understand their goals and what they actually going to do. So make sure, guys, you go and do your own due diligence so that you don't just invest on something you don't even understand. But I actually really like this. Really like this, even though the graphics are not that nice, but I mean, I think this is actually really cool, guys. I mean, everything has their improvement and all the stuff, but I think this is gonna make people a lot of money if it lives up onto the hype. If Facebook actually lives up onto the hype that has actually been coming so forth, guys. So I'm actually going to leave it here. I'm actually gonna go on and actually read their white paper and actually read everything. So this is their website, so you can actually go on and check it out and actually see what's actually going on. And that's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, because I'm gonna go on and actually look out on other coins that are actually one of the biggest that are actually gonna come up onto the world of crypto, guys. So thanks for watching, and then I will see you on the next one. Make sure you subscribe, and then I will see you on the next one.